ure. Neido edition. Neido edition.
Detwara bia hau.
Detwara bia ha.
Hando hau.
Bere daya. Gatho cia mwanya. Kuri we urekinyirie thiini wa Wima Fest 2. Neido edition.
Haria mukawa wa New Rain Hotel Kenyatta Road.
Asante sana.
Thank you so much.
Mutikanage neido indo cithie ciecokanirire cigacoka mondo cianyu. Oh yes.
Mundu othe wahotire guka.
Yes.
Ona he mundu tahotire guka but ni arugamire na ihoya kana in kind.
In kind on tamuracia jiri aratumire andu ario murimu.
Yes.
Yes.
Asante sana.
Thank you so much kwa kutupenda na kupenda Wima Fest na kwenda nginya kameme gaka gaitu.
Asante sana.
We are very grateful.
Thank you so much.
Barikiweni sana.
Making it a good show.
Yes.
Awesome. The mirror.
Neido turamurutagia the traditional venues. Turamuturagia akwiga tundu na muroka ciana cia Ngai.
In a big way.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Ngai amwende na muririkana. Yes.
Thank you muno.
It was a colorful event.
And the performances were
they were demure. They were world class. From comedian number 1 Mochi. Kusonga.
Guthie.
Mochi araigira. Niwe ucio kururia. Joy. Kuvaire. No, we are very proud as Wima Fest Kenya to have this young talent platform teo. We are very grateful for that.
Asante.
And they never disappoint. Jaikayo, I have never seen that. I have never. Chairman. Oh my goodness me. More wake firo yes. It's a yes. Jimmy Kajima wa MC was on fire. Dressed for the occasion, ready for it.
Looking like Mweneido.
He's the big event connoisseur. Oh yes.
That was beautiful.
MC Getoero.
Hey.
Ruibo.
Getoero naye kuchachisha.
Huyu anajua kuchachisha. MC Hype Man Bolano. Yes.
Man full of energy.
In a beautiful way, we introduced him to the world and we are proud of that. Oh yes.
Na keneage na neato indithi.
We have you. Yes. Of course, Captain Otos. He just landed.
Otos.
Najuragia treni. Hapa ni Wakikuyu.
Okay, mwira.
Yes. Wa mlima.
Kabisa.
Hiyo parking hizo gari ni za Wakikuyu.
Kabisa.
Na tumesoea double cabin. Tumesoea double cabin. Pro box ziko na tarimbo ndani na sururu. Hawa ni Wakikuyu wamekuja.
Pio.
Na mujawaleta na lori wamejileta.
Wamejileta wenyewe.
Na wamelipa.
Hakuna mobilization.
Kwaja kira agiri Otos ri. Mena Eriko Mondi ri. The president of comedy in Africa. Ni gutuke munanagia ri. Ni kuria ri. Ila ni VVIP.
Mathiatekagia.
Yani regular imejaa wamelipa 1500.
Na wako sawa.
Na wanakunywa na wanakula. Hawakulipa wakajimalizia. Ni VIP wamelipa 3,000.
Kwa red carpet.
Na watu sumbui tuwaletee Diamond. Umewekea mkeka. Ni VIP melipisha 5,000.
VVIP.
Wakikuyu sasa mmepanda bei. Amuko vile tunawajua. Mmekuwa mkitofechia white. No, Toss was very excited.
No, he was.
Huyo ni Mkikuyu ameitisha VSOP. VSOP.
Na complain.
Hapa ni backstage mmeweka holding area ya talent. Eriko Mondi re. Natramana hete purposefully. Mondi rasweka ake.
Maudo.
Yes.
This side of the country.
Yani sekjen yote dom mmejaza dom yote dom. Mmejaza dom. Hamna hata kuna parking huko nje. Ndio parking yako ureu mwana oyo. Na it was within the
reach.
New Rain ne kure wari.
Yeah, no.
Na rema umire gezi yana thutha ri. Maona gia twatwarwo ku. Makona ko guothe ne ko irige.
Ko na ko no party ya mukawa.
Part of the facility and the facility outdid themselves as well.
And the service was
wow, it was incredible. Stacy Waitore. Hey.
Nireke ngwira for one ni ona ni mwene stage ni ya makiria.
Yes.
Tondu ndaikerie ndeka ta mugwanja stage igaba kuri recognize stage.
That one we are in the same boat.
By then Dani ni oda kamugwanja ikamenya ucio ni stage.
Ni ndamuri hai kana gaito. Ndage mete mwana ucio. Aki anaja ta yake warie kimera kia mijigiro ko ine kwina ime.
Saturday na aliekelea.
Huyo naye aliwakilisha timu ya Jamuka vile inastahili.
Kabisa.
Yes. Hau ni mararekuo.
Mararekuo.
Na mwana ucio gacoka kendwo ni ene indo.
Na gacai ni ugite indo thiko ici.
Ai ni ugite indo.
Mwana ucio githemba kiria ada Saturday ri. Cai kwina indo.
Arakia na soipan tu ya munina nini. Rana soipan kairetu. Yes. No, it was colorful.
Colorful.
And then of course the highlight of the night. Murimash Maestro.
Jogu.
Ya wazira. Heado rakinyia rau atiriri. Machini icio bo horie.
Botigana na nyamu icio.
Tigana nyamu icio.
And he came prepared for the show.
He had an outfit and a cowboy hat
for that show.
Yes.
Na tumithitie itonyo.
Na hori yake. Na
ngobia araigirira njeru.
Na ndiraigua akira red carpet to interview haria. Akiku vibes na Wanjiku James. Akemera next time ri. Ni ekwenda gwakorwo panel-ini ya kuvetia hori inandi.
Ne arokirira hori.
One of his demands ni agakorwo panel-ini ya kumucagurira ki?
Hori.
Ahuri acio marari hasite na Samido na Waithaka ni endi ahetwo mweke wa ku rehearse now. So next time the panel ni God the panel ino ya ucha. And of course our wonderful sponsors. Our wonderful sponsors also went all out.
All out.
Yendi Palm Hold Properties Limited. And young old mare kinyaku mare mo. Yes.
In a big way, in a beautiful way.
Wilston Homes. Mwaka mesie eguragwo kugurwo mucibi.
Wilston Homes.
Uri andu afata muno. A project ya nya hari ogwo githie master. Yes.
Of course the gazeti ya PD.
People Daily. Of course the digital newspaper. Is paperless. Yani.
Tukali horo wa PD turali horo wa kabuni ya Media Max.
Yes.
Kameme kayuka muige na Kameme TV.
Absolutely.
That was good.
Oh yes. The fastest internet connectivity. Safaricom.
Oh, Safaricom.
Oh yes. Huko ikara green. Oh, Safaricom Wilston PD Palm Hold.
Wilston Safaricom
PD Palm Hold Properties. Wonderful.
That was wonderful.
That was the new, and of course our leadership ya mara kinyiria ko. Mheshimiwa Peter Kenneth.
Mheshimiwa Peter Kenneth.
Yes.
Na Mheshimiwa Kemari wako ya Mathioya.
Absolutely.
Na Mheshimiwa Engineer Duati.
Oh yes.
Akore Gatanga.
Yes.
Asante sana.
Mutha witu ni arohekire.
Na ile na kabisa kidogo.
Mutha witu ni arohekire hadu. Yes.
But he was in support.
He was always supporting us, Moses Kuria. That was a colorful event. Yes.
Asante sana.
Arathire wega muno.
Wega ta wega.
Wega ta wega. Kinyaga ceni ka muogi. Timyo. Jeye ni gakuhi.
No, he brought the house down.
Piga paka genge na gitabu. I tell you.
Niambia gekire wega.
Ayo ilikuwa moto.
Asante.
Kama sasa hiyo ni 2 na 3.
3 sasa itakuwa even better.
No, we were harbored.
Asanteni sana.
Thank.
No twage ciugo njiganu.
Yes.
Cia gukwira ni thengio. No uhoteva itemi mundu aranyitire.
Yes.
Wamukire ngatho citu.
Aria marokire na tukutuku. Ginya haria Kenyatta Road gari rauga New Rain and 850. Auga New Rain and 850.
Stage is ya direct.
New Rain and 850.
Reido. Ginya New Rain geti-ini.
Chwani. Marokire au na nduthi. Watu tukutuku wa maruti wa matatu kwina ginya mundu rokie na Bentley
it was an indo edition
ro ogwaga ne magi ire indo
na no ega andu magite indo
ri
no we are happy
indo ti njoru he ondo indo icoka igathiuruka umwe witu acigia that was colorful.
Asante
sana. Thank you very much Joseph PS Choroge. Oh yes.
Asante
rafiki yetu
sana na support Wima Fest.
Asante zaidi.
Asante sana.
Jimmy wala Miguel Lakaskada. You are the man.
No, Jimmy was Gomweta Master K.
No, he's what would we don't even have one. Modo afagire gutie modo uraikara ndaika igire ata service tu. The service was impeccable.
That was awesome.
Joel wa Global Events. Kidore.
Asante.
Kidore.
Kazi safi
tana. Oh yes. Yani.
Thank you muno.
Ana yutu yora tuikagira coverage. Na hizo picha tutawapatia mkitaka.
Tutawapatia mtu ajione.
Oh yes. Mashabiki hizo mara yarutire ginya ko asha ko. Inashiro wakubwa sisi.
Jini ya Tash.
Oh yes.
Asante sana.
Ndio.
Ticket 001 John Miano.
Asante niondo wako you know you bailed the car. Yes.
Oitio twa ticket ciajia kwendio.
He bought ticket 001.
Ndagika ya gatatu ni agurite tigiti.
Yes.
The third minute ni agurite tigiti.
And a special thanks to Mudhurweto Kio wa Safaricom. No, Kio nake he became event organizer.
He came in handy.
I tell you.
Thank you so much.
Asante zaidi.
Thank you. Na thanks to the Almighty.
Absolutely.
For making it happen.
Hivyo ndio tutanya ngai yakinyaneria. Catherine Wasete. Thank you.
Asante.
Letuletea Safaricom.
Mzuri sana.
Asante zaidi.
Thank you.
As maestro.
Lima maestro. Hujambo?
Ndi mwega. Njagirite kuma ririgana. Kirigaine kuria ndatigire ndumagicona ciara ni mwago kwagira
reke tuge Saturday nawe ni waigiriire nduri igaru
mwago no wathire wega ona ndauma na kuu njari ara twacamanirie tondu ndaumaga nigetha ndikihote kwihe mbutu gitio hanini nigetha ni undu wa kuroka guku mohoro ona ara twacamanagia nao na hau njari ara maiguagira na hau makiuka ri maugaga mithuri kuraga ndare na gathino kanini kaumirire hare mwisho-ini ri gwiciria next time Wima Fest 3 ikiharirio ni ngwenda gwakorwo pano-ini ya kuvet timu iri igakorwo iri ya bandi
ya kuhura instrument
uyana your input your technical input
ndwambe ona ndemageria hanini igwire twaharukana
test
yes kidogo tugithio wega na ndirakena tondu ni rite na mbere na gukorwo inspired ya andu mithemba mingi tariu ni ndirariirio ni senator wa kuria Nyandaro gwitwo John Medho na muthuri ungi kiongozi ko gwetagwo Derideani maranjira ni mareririria na njira nene muno hindi yengi makorwo mari backup akwa
makorwo backline
yes ugo badia kono iraiba na no igwa dera inspire ginya ariku ginya viongozi
badi na iraiba
no
tuthietega
no Saturday na no waigiriire wega ginya itonyo
na ihungu
ni gwithaya proper riu aria ndirakiona makigeria gutambia ndeto ingi na guku nenda-ini ri kana tukiripu wetu ihori tukiripu tu ni tukiripu manipulated it does not reflect the reality on the ground
aria mari
ground ri mena rugano tofauti na aria akwirora tukiripu tu
we know that language we know that language wamelipa kukumaliza
yes ona muno kiria marenda nigetha ndikare ho balance yako na mundu gwitwo Njora Mwage komba nake akiri hau eri ndigwikua ndimwira ona tutige ihenya reke tweterere
ndio wazikora tuli ahutu
magecirie nio matutuirie ni
aiya ukoreria kuhe iwira oguo
no kugweta nigi bauta gwiciria aria tunihere ni njuire kabere
mecirie watiga hagira mai
koguo ni ndirera andu othe mundu wothe wicamanitie na clip akona ta handu habacitie I ignore that clip completely Mine was a very exemplary performance on the ground. Na arĩa marĩ physically can attest to that.
Yes. No twake ofire twĩ thutha waku gũkuhana dance.
On the back line.
Ona mũndũ wa makirio ũganaga gũkũ no ndonire mbete gũcuthia hau rĩ. Na rĩngĩ arenda kũria nĩ mathos words. Nĩ mũndũ ũgwĩtwo ũyũ wa njanjo. Ngĩrora clip-inĩ rĩ ya mwana acuthĩti arũgamĩte ũguo acuthĩti. No kwega. Na tuthiĩte wega.
Auga clip ici ciranya your people treat them with the contempt
they deserve. Ĩyo nĩ batoni ya Momori marageria kũraga kĩoneki kĩu.
Yes.
Na nĩtũkĩmera we shall not buy afraidness.
No, we are very happy to have you at the first.
Yes. I was prepared no akiona nginya ataya.
Yes. Yo kana tu agwĩkĩire ũrĩa wendaga.
Oh yes.
Kamero karĩ sawa.
Kamero karĩ sawa. No gutikakaga recommendations technical gĩendekithia hĩndĩ ĩngĩ o hĩndĩ ĩyo ngakorwo ngĩveti bad.
Nĩ wa recommended stage twambatie inji kenda nĩ ũndũ wa height. Was that achieved?
That one was achieved. Maũndũ maingĩ nĩ maacivĩtwo.
Yes.
Na nĩkĩo ndĩrauga it was an exemplary performance. Do away with naysayers.
And maligners and slanderers.
Yes, and detractors.
Oh yes. Between alumni, former, we alumni, we former, wa thukuru fulani. Na kuna mtu alisomeaga.
Alikuaga.
Alikuagwo huko. Yes. Na alumni rĩ tũrĩa kuagio nĩ alumni wetagwo Captain Karauri
mheshimiwa
na thengi mũno nĩ watũtũmĩire Sami we had a good time at the event
ndamuonire Sami
yes wa ofisi ya mheshimiwa Karauri alumni acio wetagwo Karauri nĩ ambia atũgegia nĩ gũtwara ndege Mang'u
yes Mang'u High School
atũgĩtĩkania amwe kũrĩa tũthomeire rĩ ndege ĩyo ĩtangĩgera rĩera-inĩ rĩ na age gwakũmba rĩ.
There is no any other way.
No, you just bring us something in kind. Rĩu nĩ ũkũnjĩra ũhoro wa the Alliance. Yes.
Yes, Alliance High School.
Yes.
Over the weekend, nĩ mararĩ na commemoration ya mĩaka 99 ya thukuru ũcio.
So they are almost attending the centenary celebration.
In next year 2026,
yes.
Rĩu magakorwo magĩkũngũĩra mĩaka 100 ya Alliance High School.
Oh yes.
Rĩu nĩ marakĩrĩ na igongona over the weekend. Na nĩ makĩrĩ na mĩbango ĩrĩa marakĩharĩrĩria nĩ ũndũ wa commemoration ya next year ya mĩaka 100.
Yes.
Ti project atĩ ni kanana nĩ ũguo menayo. Mena project ya 200 million.
And you know Alliance is Alliance. Ona kwende Movireja wa Munyoro aigwĩte nĩ akũhwo mũno nĩ alumni ya Alliance agĩkĩra Waicũng'ũ atĩrĩrĩ Waicũng'ũ atũkũha tondũ we athomeire Alliance na niĩ ndahikirie mũndũ thomeire kĩ. No, Alliance is Alliance. They even have a pet name. No, yes, could they call on a pet name? Taru, I think the Kenya Highs. I don't know, they still call it Bomber. You can a patch. Netagorate. Can Nairobi school. I have mother made Alliance the motor in Anagi.
You got Makimena near Bush.
Oh, Bush. Absolutely. The ditches, I think, Netagorate. Patch, I think, is Nairobi school. Yes. Bomber the Kenya High. So now they are going to raise 200 million.
Makĩrĩ na mũbango wa kũraise 200 million nĩ ũndũ wa commemoration ya mĩaka 100 next year. Magĩake an ultra modern facility.
Yes.
Etagwo multi-purpose hall.
Yes.
Na library ya kĩrĩu.
Yes.
Digital library thĩinĩ wa cukuru ũcio.
A digital library.
Yes.
Yes.
Rĩu ũcio mũbango ũcio marahwe milioni 200. Harĩ magana maya merĩ ma milioni rĩ.
Yes.
Alumni.
Yes.
Yarutwo arĩa mathomeire kuo
arĩa mahĩtũkĩire kuo magathoma makagĩa ũgĩ na magatuĩka andũ ni influence bũrũri ũyũ in with their levels. Yes.
Mararĩ ici nuthu ya mbeca icio. That's 100 million Kenya shillings.
Amwe itu kũrĩa tũthomeire tũngĩrwo tũrĩci milioni 100 rĩmwe. Ao tũkinyĩire nginya Ngomi. I know.
Well, they are raising 100 million.
Yes.
Thukuru ekirisi kindu kinini.
Yes.
And makanitha maria magisponsaga thukuru ucio makirisi icio ingi.
You see the beauty about Alliance ni riri. Ona aria mathomeire kou na tutire nao ri. They have foundations that still remember that the founder. Yes. Athomeire kou. Like Sir Charles did athomeire Alliance.
Yes, among the pioneer students of back then.
Na nwaigua twaragwo na mbarathi. Yes.
Aruta
Matifa. Those are people from Alliance. Yes. They have their foundations around and establishments. Iria ciko recognize mandikirwo marua. We as the alumni body, we want to raise 100
million.
Makauga we as the Georgia whatever, the Matiba whatever, we will give 5 million. Yes. Tono kioke umokio horo okay.
Horo wothe.
Yes. Maitu aria ige ndodo no mahinya matikiganaine
andu matiganaine na mahinya matigananaga.
Yes. Ona wa ndereri kwedi, you know, is an alumni of Nyeri High. At the time they had something like that and it was big.
Nyeri High, they also have a serious alumni association.
I understand actually that time they did a tent setup yake do 20 million setup ya wa ndere ba want to join them. Yes. Ayo kuria to the maidale. Let's brainstorm.
Okay, magithondeka event no to my Billy Entertainment,
no to ke kuria rwimbo. Because I am very sure by the time they do the event,
actually project yo marenda ikorwo irikite.
Yes.
So muthenya wa commemoration wa kinya next year ri.
Yes.
Riu igakorwo iri grand opening.
Yes.
Riu makiririkana miaka igana rimwe.
Yes.
Riu they will have raised the money and used the money to do the project.
Tondu na waishongwa we ewo ikiari. Mheshimiwa Kevin Waishongwa. Yes. Ando ni atengeretia mono. TV mweta walo jasira.
Mamonjeria kidogo.
Wa mundu ucio weta, I think it's called Medi or something. Ni aramwanjiragia kidogo. Waishongwa we mwenyewe ri, because an alumni of Alliance ri. Awaratake turi. I'm sure they can raise that much.
And he can even talk to the big boss.
They can talk to the big boss amwambia sasa. Najua kwa tulisomea.
Tuko na
mpango kidogo ya to do a 200 million project. So if you can just chip in. Yes. Na dake ya geti mugathi.
Dake ya geti ona Waishongwa nake mwenda dake ya geti. Ni akiri mageti o miaka igana ona.
Yes. Kwaje ona yugo tari wagi mwitari. Iyo tocha. Ithu ya tuthomeire polling station ni. Na immunization centers ri. Ithu no tugie na 5-year plan ya gotigia ati cukuru ni atuika water sustainable. Tukira ciugo mata sustainable water flow and reservoirs. Well, at the end of the day to wakaitangi
to enable learning smooth.
Tukauthira ciugo to enable smooth learning, adequate concentration and the proper learning
environment,
atmosphere. We are going to put up a reservoir. Leitagi.
No ko employees you go dugu na wading.
Ibeleli odo wake.
Leitagi.
As we celebrate 50 years of the institution, as the old boys and girls,
the old boy na girl.
As old boys and girls, we are going to make the school food sustainable. Ng'ombe ithano. Ciao kama.
Ndogererie riu kuingiria maundu very noble and global.
Yes.
Like tree planting.
Exactly. With the climate change and global warming, and with this time of clean and green energy, we are going to have a more backup power project. Ndio ne panel wa commission administration bro.
And install CCTV.
Yes. Footage and the biometrics. We already in talks with an ISO certified company. No mwaka tuwe kile shugoma. Hamu wakaturo die old boys and girls. Yes.
Boy.
Alliance di. Alliance di no na magisha patika. Disi na maraini hadudha.
Na kugia students beroma inoka holiday magacangithie.
Yes. Diona makihanduka ndire koragwo ha bereri. Okay, andika we with an exaggerated amount. Ola tukae mundu kuhea kandi teyo. Kwa muno nokaga andika igana. Alliance alumni. Johnny.
And I'm sure they will hack that.
Yeah, they will. No, definitely they will. I will be looking forward to marking how much we turn not to benchmark.
Yes. Na muthenya ucio wa commemoration ya miaka igana magato invite.
Oh, yes.
Ona ithio tuthi twionere.
Any to benchmark tuone.
Ma invite riu ma old boys makuma mathukuru mage na old girls.
Yes. Na mafoma.
Kendo tukamumatiria ni ruhi
wega piu na kugega nitukagega. Yes. But it's a good challenge.
It's a good challenge.
At whatever level it. Ando batigiaka odo magika. Yes.
That is alliance for you.
Well, I am mother made a cool. Actually, engineer Tash. You know, there's brains in the JKE. Like John Gashera, the managing director of NIC Bank.
NCBA.
NCBA, not NIC, NCBA.
Yeah, he is a CEO NCBA Bank.
CEO. He is an alumni.
Aya, ni mo alliance.
Yes.
I didn't know.
Johnson Gisheru. Former Chief Justice. John Keane. Adomana dhomera ku megumo.
Ginya John Keane.
Yes. Even first woman Mayor Margaret Kenyatta dhomera ko lukuliko.
Oku.
Maina KI. Yes.
The human rights activist.
Yes. Mogo Kifati, the CEO Telcom. Yes. Let me tell you their names here. Ona Mugatana.
Ginya Mugatana.
Yes.
Alliance is alliance.
No, it's alliance. Yenny. No, and they have foundations, even the ones who are not around. Even Kiraito Murongi.
Ginya Mombas.
Yes. Makao Mutua. Daudi Mwiraria. Yes. Dan Kanindego. Yes. No. Alliance yona list yo ndo twatumirwo ri ni njiga nuginya oreke iapi
uri waruga maga
ona nyanga nyongo yes wako yes ndiye kanwa iwaru dagweta papas
Kalago ni alliance
baba Mlaya hayuko kwa hii list. Ile jina inakaribia Kalago Mlaya kwa hii list ni Goge wa Thiong'o.
Ikehejo. They have a long list of alumni.
Yes. And most of them many of them are actually still around.
And very prominent people in the country.
Very opulent and prominent and well. They actually mafatire uma alliance ri. Mare kia no horo wa centenary ri. Matabie ri utana. Please.
Tondu marage target milioni magana meri ri.
Yes.
Andu acio no marecio na magana mana ma milioni.
Yes.
Please ri no matabio ta no cio matura-ini.
Ngetha magana maya mangi meri mu mahuthire. I know they are very philanthropic. The alliance alumni. They are quite philanthropic. Yes.
That's true.
Yes.
Kwaria na mwalimu munene wa alliance. You know he was my high school principal.
You had told me as much.
Yes. Mr. Kamau DC. No principal alliance currently.
Oh yes.
Yana ke munene kungiagira ri. No enderie bodi ri Syria riu ria support kinya.
We have a few needy. Ona mundu utathire wega wa Rumina ya Alliance ri ni njao wa Comfort Homes. Kuringana na gikirori.
Kuringana na gikiro.
Aru ni wali Rumina ibodi uragia wathire ku.
Kenda na fotefo. Te wathire ku. Akamera kona huko bypass.
Aya ndaia miunda. To bypass na Joel. Oko kama mimi ni kule Rumina ya Alliance.
Gotire. Kuna.
Ona muthoni uyu.
Ai. Ono wake agonyi.
Gatonye.
Gatonye ni kuhitukira tondu umite area yo.
Yageraho. Ona Baby Top.
Nyandarua hai.
Gathemba
is waha. Ucio ni mo polling station.
Renya mamithi.
Munada secondary.
Ithuĩ tukiri arugongo. Yego. Certainly mixed dead body then. Yes.
Kalema Boys High School.
Ma. Simona Katati Alliance.
Katari Samara.
Tiki ya Goma.
Yona tari Samara we.
Okay. Tondu mora ni wa muthithi.
Mora ni muthithi.
Muthithi komesha. Ena duni. Yes. Ona mundu wakwiriria Alliance gukuri. Ni msima.
Uthirungao. At least ucio ni akuhiriirie.
Gadu Alliance nao ni makiikaragia muno.
Nimekwambia Alliance is Alliance.
Yes.
And they are very proud about their school.
No. They have a culture. The bush culture. Yes. They have a bush style. The Alliance way.
Na nimeda umenye them.
Yes.
One Alliance.
Yes. And there's another group of people, and you will tell by their level of, and I'm not saying in comparison to anyone else, you will tell by their level of neatness, organization, and discipline. Mathomeire starehe.
True.
Yes. A starehean is a starehean. Yes.
Their character stands out.
It's all out. Yes.
Ya mheshimiwa Nyakera.
Yes.
Na mheshimiwa Peter Kenneth.
Yes. Starehe is starehe. Yes.
Anyway, it's in life. Sanchez. Asante.
Ndio.
Umeona pale frontline kwa VIP.
Alikuwa fiti sana. Wonderful. Na kilikuwa kimejiweka.
Sana. Mariga niti mwana oge na Karisi wa Vista.
Ya Sanchez ni kire yigite wega. Na ni wega gwiturira. Oh yes.
Na Karisi wa Vista gwiciria ari mushara ino wa maestro.
Yes.
Ni amuinithirie.
Wega biu. Ndio. Na ritarida ni akiambatire ngathi kahora. Ndio cia rukire thi. Ndio. Gugwathe Mark ndio arahotire gukinya.
Ari kuo akire Gugwathe Mark ambire guka muthenya.
Agiuka reke.
Augire Kenya mbe njuke muthenya nigetha nyone hwaini ndiroka ha.
Yes.
Ndi familiarize na area.
Niguo.
So ambire guka muthenya akihura reke agicoka riu agioka riu Wima Fest hwaini.
Acio na andu aingi matiramenyaga New Rain. Now they know that we have beautiful spaces.
Yes.
And
big
and lovely. Yes. Ndio.
Wima sana.
Reure. You see heke ndugitagwo riri endangered species. Yes. Athaini wa thi ungithikio ungirora tabaraici cia nyamu ri no igua he nyamu cio nginya ciathirire. Yes. Tengietagwo, is it the dodo? There's an animal that became extinct.
Na dinosaur.
Those ones are actually
ancient.
I think those are proverbial. I think they are fiction, no? But I think the dodo are as extinct as the dodo. Someone correct me. Nyamusio kasi gatuika endangered. No the rhino.
White rhino.
Yes.
Unatuika ni endangered.
It's a protected species. Na icio ungikoro kigwima icio ni uretha no una Simon Kibe.
We ni jere ragucema.
Ni ragwita. Uragio agwemire nyamo segetairo ne thirikari. So there are some animals called endangered ginya guku.
Ciri ugwati-ini wa kuhuka.
You see, tourism here is a big deal. Na nyamu cia githaka muno nicio cigucagiriria ki
agendi
atari. Riu he nyamu cio cietagwo the mountain bongo. Yes. Actually miaka-ini ya 1973 gutuika they were over 500. Na matuko ma turi there only like 100 remaining.
Icio ni nini.
Ekwende cio tu cigitwarwo kuria US in the 70s. Yes. Eci kirorwo athungu maciciarithani. Riu ruciaro rwa gatatu rwacio ri ni ruracokirio kundu kuriku
na guku. Nio etagwo repatriation.
Yes. No, rio ginengera mundu. Which one is the female? Is the harika or is which one? The mwate and the harika.
And harika,
yes. Igika gia ruru ri. Mundu ni acokagirio ki. Riu no turagicokerio ruru.
Agora ruciaro rwa gatatu kana rwa kana.
Ni rwa gatatu from the 70s iria ciatwarirwo kuu. Yes. Riu ni maragitucokeria ruru. Bongo ici ni muhiriga wa thia. Ndu wa mundu uyu utari wa igua horo wake.
Wa mountain bongo.
Yes. Na ciragicokirio guku na cirokire all the way from Florida. Cigicokio ikinya-ini ria maguka.
Uguo raithiro tugacoka Kongo. Nigutitio nikuo twaumire.
We are not endangered na turi aingi muno. Mountain bongo ici ni turacokeirio guoko ruciaro rwa gatatu. Yes. Ciraumo Florida. I think they were taken to Meru. Die kala cirayukia na America na ndege. I think ni ndege tondu Meri no ciremwo unless it is Noah's Ark.
No agandege.
No agandege ngira ciuke na ihenya. Riu ni cirakirekeirio mutitu. No uhoro uria wa ma ni ikumaka.
Woga ciraumire Florida.
Florida, a conservancy in Florida.
Irarehwo Meru.
Yes. Na marare hau macirorere. Ona arĩa maraciri ni marawire kusema kweli hizi asijaparara kama zapa.
Hii munyama.
Hii hata inakaa red meat. Maya mukana mayo hizi muongerea. Mumanyale mwari ya nyamu athungu.
Nasikia wanasema endangered.
Wanasema endangered sasa. Wamesema tusikule hii. Nesi kwa baigagatirwo ni nyeki.
Ito nyeki ya Florida na Meru itingĩhanana.
Ciambe cithirwo na ngũkũ mawega.
Na thigai. Florida gũtigĩkorwo nĩ kũrĩ thigai.
Thigai nĩ ndũ.
Tũnyamũ twĩho very irritating tũtũmaga ng'ombe na mahiũ makorwo me very uncomfortable.
Oh, they look like sassafras. Yes.
Thigai. Very irritating. Florida gũtigĩkorwo nĩ kũrĩ thigai.
Yes. Rĩu ũgũcikwa ciũmbwo nĩ ngũkũma na thigai icio. What's going on?
Where is this?
Hey, Fred. Fred. Why are those cars speeding so much? I understand they carry me around.
Irarĩirio ikiuma kũrĩa Florida.
Ciero ciana cia Ngai bũrũri ũcio mwathire.
It's a place of your forefathers.
Nĩguo rũrĩra rwa agu. Thigira wa agu anyu rĩ.
Kwĩ kũndũ kũu.
Ndiye cio tukwaka ira tondu ngucia cio kire kindu February haya yuka uthirikira.
I think cirokire sometimes late last week.
Yes. Ni cirabatara wetherwo therapist.
Agon kuri therapist ya nyamu.
Yes. Cirorwo how they are faring. Tondu cirarekirio mutitu. They are also at the danger of. Ndwimiro thina yone white meat.
Yona yeye nyamu eno ni ngani go. Oya.
Ciona go cige. Hey, top shot abuda. Ndwimiro thina nyamu cia thaka jiwa ciaragia ruthiomi rukwiririe rwa kuria ciri. Baba.
Hii ni ngani?
Mufasa. Mufasa. Hii nao ni gani baba? Najua hii haihitaji toothpick. Hii hata ni umese kichwa kama capsule zikapasukia kwa tumbo.
Imetoka Florida.
Kero hizi ni za Florida baba. Hizi si zile tunatavunanga hapa tunasemusa kwanza ndio ziwe softi. Hizi ni mbongo softi. Hii hata akakimbi, unajua sipendi tena kula kitu haikimbi. No,
Neiko maka, neiko ya culture shock.
They will have a culture shock. Of course they are planning, which is very good. She has Rebecca Miano. Ya ni mara plan go she grow. She kinje kedo 700.
Oh, isi arane.
Yes.
Ni mawe isi adara mahuti. Na shube.
Yes. No, they are in the wild. Of course, Korea is in custody. Joe Kiremini Aremwe. I think how many bong they want to I think Joe has like 2 or 4 mountain bongos. Yes. You know when carriage go. Are mana ota go siga. Are mena mahuti. Are Joe Kiremini.
Wake kwena mahuti.
Mareke isiarane. Cia ciarana ithano.
Akarekereria.
Ithatu gaikio ke. Yes. So it is not easy to do. Gocikoria ginya 700 is a plan that is 2050.
You see 25.
You see shireta ng'ombe. Taro ng'ombe gaci atu cia 10 miaka igana.
Nego take time.
Tondu ng'ombe kuwa mwana 9 months like a human being. I think it's around the same thing for mountain bongos. Mieri kenda ri ne kuwa miakeo leigana 20k
2025
miaka 25 ri ndikigia to show 25 tondu hena ihinda ria kuongithia kurera
another natural factors.
So naturally you give it around 5 cows. Yes. Mundu wina mahuti ni murakiuria
mundu na futhi wa mahuti
wethe uhiu tangikama kana kwendia wi nyama. Joe Kiremini mountain bongo. They are protected by the state. Yes. What's happening? What's going on? I've never seen that. I go, calm down, Carol. It's gonna be all right. We are on safari.
The land of your ancestors.
We are on safari. We are gonna go back home soon. It's gonna be all right. Ain't nowhere we going. We ain't going nowhere. We're gonna die here. See those lions over there? In captivity. Oh, look at that lion. He looks friendly. Don't go near him. He's gonna make you dinner. He's gonna eat you. Ai baku. Wala isiri. Ona na hati ban. Choke sebe na irodo na dingo ingo. Oh my gosh, who says this? That's from the Elephant Man. You're in Africa. You see, not Geo Wild. You're in the Sahara. We're gonna die here. We're not gonna make it back. We're not going back to Florida. We're gonna die here. Tokuria nyamu iria ciĩkuma gĩcinyite ũgeni.
Nĩ mũkũnyita ũgeni.
Nĩ mũkũyagania ihinda rĩega. Na tũria mĩrũthi please. Mũtikarĩ ageni. Jatukira ukarare kuo. Arauga baikanagia na thura kuregiura athome ground.
Ni ahuriria kinjira ni kwihariria rehariria. Around 5 something. Kinjira ni ndeharire munene. Tucemanie ground.
Yes. Absolutely. Yani
wima.
Raure. Siasa politics. Mutati ndirae nake anjira atiriri. Ground ri utha ici ni ratuika slowly approach up. Ona kimeithia kiandikitwo approach with
caution.
Yes. Riu ground ira approach
with caution.
With caution. Yes. Tondu kwi hindi irari gagatu.
Moto.
Ile kwa moto. Oni ona hii mavesti eno zrai nayo. Otiri andu marabugiririe ki. Yes. So it is slowly becoming bearable. And wala wikana wanasiasa itoke maheaga tidbits. Yes. Oh, we have to approachable. No, we have to approachable hari aria marenda gaturwa kariku.
Kau ikareire.
Ayo ikareire mnene. Ndegete kiamu girikira uri andu ingi. Yes. Kagwe ihinda riri ni ria guthima riu ground. Yes. Tondu tugo must go ni turanyiha. Must go ri iranyiha kidogo
napugua.
Yes. Hasa ni saa ya kukua very vigilant. By the way, that is how to kinyete ri unless there is a wind head maraka iwira matigacoka. Yes.
Unless things change.
Yes. Kuna bado tumbo joto atiati hapa na pale. Yes.
Kuna watu tayari they can tell.
Actually Sam, you see politics again is like love. Domenya anu ate hiro.
Ere volo inago ni George Strait ro country.
Yes.
Atiriri. A fool in love is always blind.
That is the truth. Siasa nacho ihano because explain to me ore ithuĩ twĩta Wanjiku nĩtũmenya wega piyo gavana ũkũrĩa ũrathurwo nĩ ng'ania no angĩ mararũgama rĩ they still hope against all odds
atĩ nĩ makoya
na magaita mbeca ciao ciothe. Well, never mind ũkothiũrũrũkĩtwo nĩ andũ mararĩra kĩoneki kĩu koguo matingĩkuonia
aca makuonagia twĩ sawa tiga kũmakio kau nĩ kamũrurumo kanini
kwanja wĩra ona ũrĩa warũria na nĩ maramenya piyo. No, explain to me to mamundo igire milioni cia keigana because it's like you are in love. We ona agiti. Yes. Giki ni ndiratendeke.
Ni ndiraikarira giki.
Ano ground ni moyo wega. You don't stand.
Ni moyo wega wi mukawa wao wa ihinda.
Yes.
With the free meals.
And the temporary accommodation. Yes. But they will still eat your money.
Yes. No, without an iota of shame on their face.
No, they actually do. Ako mwathani karumbeta kara kara onaga ka uhuori kage uho hinde ya siasa ri tungithie icu iherero ithuothe
tungithie kwa mucukani.
Yes. Tondu giathi-ini ri wona ta utari andu uoka muteti andu makarahuka ni mugathura ni murauga mundu nu
mundu no ngoni
murauga no
ngoni
ugai wima uthai wima ngine ne njigue
wima.
Yes. Onia kera gathiga akohorwo. Yes. Kaigua riu hoka mundu ungi aria cai gathemba makaigua kidogo
makagwothe na makoya kwanja maũkuĩra nginya moko meri.
Yes. Nĩ mũkandwara mbunge
mena
mũndũ ũretwo na thĩna ithe tiwe mwega akĩmwatha akaũrwo
mũndũ wĩ mathĩna
ithe gũkũ ithe ndiarutaga koroga ndĩtũtianarĩa ngaita na inyuĩ gũkũ
na mũkanyona ngĩhũra ngari mbaru
nĩaigana mokire kũnyona thibitarĩ hĩndĩ ndakomete kwa mũbĩa mĩeri na njagĩte mbia cia kuma mwakire inyuothe onake nĩamenya nĩ maheni Ego ke mubango na karanji kanini karia ngukite nako tutihakaga andu guku ti kumuhaka mundagiritie nyorere andu kindu ki
ndo giake
athonga gia thiokiria. Yes, there are people who don't work during campaigns.
Batura goguo mate na kuoya raini.
Yes,
kamenya itinerary ya ng'ania rucio agathi kuna na kuna na kuna.
Yes,
uguo culmination yake ni buroti ciaku.
Yes, kanyanyaine
bas.
Yes,
tukagwa kuutaba
hagoka uguo ucio ni wakere ni amurwo hagoka shuka
Kiamami
makauga kaboom. Maharanagia merchandise kamona mamatia goikoni icio makaruta makamatia ciori oroka. Yes, so ni wega wana ciaca mamenye oguo na probably ni moi ati ni tukona na seti. Yes,
ya merchandise
tukona uniform maita tamana
especially ya cia mairia ngo ciekuo kimera kiu.
Yes,
ona reflector cia nduthi
one wega ta wega na ngofia ni mathi kuigwa na ciaca matithondeka ngofia ina kuria ire
waonekana na nyore ici tukua ito nacio yo tangikira maita matatu
nyore ihoro tangikua waru tondu tumukagira mbere ya andu
na muzinga.
Yes, teka kanyora kigwati kuwa muzinga
na hotelia
ya othenia ugikira muzinga ni unyitire rungu
Ndio itirio rĩrĩa mathondeka ngobia na rĩ.
Yes, tondũ mamenyire mu mari ya merchandise na rĩmwe nĩ mwaga
kumathura.
Yes, rĩu ũrĩa ũka wa ũtukũ ndũĩ nĩ ũkoragwo rĩu sapa nĩnjũĩ nĩ mokire gũkũ no niĩ nawe nĩ tũramenya ĩyo nĩ mĩkawa. Ndire thiĩte mĩsafara ya campaign mĩingĩ mũno na ndimiendaga tondũ mũndũ acokaga kũgunĩka.
You toil.
No, you toil. And you know, politics is like it has a lot of psychological appeal. You're all made to feel your life depends on this seat. Geke murena. All of you. Inyuothe mukona geke tuona
muteti kumwirira kwanja mwe campaigners yake geke tuoya
ogwo. Yes, mwamba mukaje guthoma the science mona uyu urehitithio ni uyu
umwe
na mutigethi kumugiriria kihitithio. Yes, siasa siko ground saisi moto sana waesi
miwa sana
tokeni na lobby kidogo tebea ogea na wao nikiri watu ni mathiete riri ni mathiete mohigite gi siasa twenda kuo uguo matigathura mundu tondu wa wevu iria ikuo. Let me tell you, if there's an election that people will elect people based on work, nigeke kiroka. Yes,
magathura mundu.
Yes,
tikiama
zake gwe atiri and you take this to the bank. Gotire mundu kauma na ko na wevu aruta mujumbe oraruta wira. It will not happen. Not this one. Yes, wira ni ukaria muno yeke turoka tondu we know
kasi.
Yes, mundu okana wevu no ako uri akwa nerutite wira hata enda kokota
patana na kamulima.
Yes, ona arĩa mũrauga me mĩrengo ĩrĩa mũtarenda he andũ akinya tũroreke
wĩra,
and that is slowly shaping. Ndoigua andũ nĩmauga ng'ania rĩ nĩ atetagĩra ng'ania no ha wĩra. Yes, you know it happened. Tarau icungwa, give it up to him. Gĩkũyũ gĩkĩ kĩa
ha wĩra rĩ.
Yes,
no mũcukĩirie ũndũ ũngĩ.
That's just an example. No nĩmauga we kaũndũ ugaga no kai wĩra ndi nyoro tũtiramenya no kai wĩra. Yes, rĩu hau nĩyo tũrorete. So you had better know that realization. Na hiyo muandike mahali. Andika hau wira ni ugacokia mundu ki
gite-ini
na kwa kuruta ni ugatwara mundu ku
mucii ateka hau we fure
andika hau kama kazi ni huku tu ufanye kazi nyumbani
ya ila iko